Bring nature indoors with the terrarium. It's fun, easy, and the perfect project to get kids excited about plants. Here's what you'll need. A glass jar, preferably with a cork or stopper. If you're using a vase, you could use a side plate as a lid. A plastic funnel or rolled up piece of paper. Fine gravel. Activated charcoal, available at pet stores. This prevents the water from turning green. A piece of shade cloth or weed guard. Sphagnum moss. A soil mix of 1 part vermiculite, 1 part coconut husk, and 1 part potting soil. And for the plants, we're using chlorophytum, the spider plant, ficus pumila, and begonias. Terrarium tools, or you could use a spoon taped to a dowel, long tweezers or chopsticks, and a spray bottle. Let's plant it up. First, use your funnel to pour a 1.5 to 2 centimeter layer of fine gravel into your jar for drainage. Then use a thin 1 centimeter layer of activated charcoal. Level it with a spoon. Place your shade cloth over your charcoal. This prevents the soil falling through into your drainage sump. Next, add 5 to 6 centimeter of your soil mix and smooth it down. Use a chopstick or a spoon to make small holes for your plants. Unpot and gently tease the roots of your plants and place them in the holes. Hold them steady with tweezers or chopsticks while you firm the soil around them. Top it off with sphagnum moss for a soft finish. You can also add sticks, rocks, or any decoration to give it some personality. Use a fine nozzle spray bottle and water gently down the inside of the glass and place your terrarium in a bright spot but not in direct sunlight. Leave the stopper off for a week to let any condensation clear and then seal it up. And just like that, you've made your own mini garden in a jar. Find everything you need at your local GCA garden centre or visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find one near you.